welcome back to this channel. I know it's been some time, I haven't updated here for quite a while, but now there is a good reason to come back here and make some interesting videos. Main reason being that we are planning a huge trip this summer. We're actually calling it the Euro Raid Baltic Edition because, as you may guess, we're going to the Baltics. If some of you don't know, the Baltic states are Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia, and they're situated on kind of northeastern tip of Europe, right below Finland, and they're quite unexplored and we think they're interesting. We've been to Lithuania this winter by plane and we're very keen to go back there in summer with the bikes. And speaking about bikes, for this trip we have just purchased, let me show you, this beauty, the Vistrom 650 XT, which will be joining our trusty SV650 in this trip. So basically what we're gonna do, and we are bringing you guys along, is depart from Italy, cross the Alps, cross the Czech Republic, Poland, and then dive right into Lithuania, where we will travel around a bit and try to see interesting motorcycle places, perhaps explore some motorcycle businesses and attractions, as well as general interesting historical and cultural places, maybe some, I don't know, nature. You guys tell me. I'm really open to suggestions in the comments. I would like to hear kind of what would you like to see from this trip. We would like to, I'm looking up because there is a drone that my husband is flying up there. Let's see if we can catch it. Where is it? Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, there he is. There we go. This is the drone that will be also joining us on this trip, and we hope to make some interesting videos for you guys. We want to really document this journey and make it into a little documentary series. So, this is pretty much the update so far. I will include some footage of the Vistrom, which I'm really enjoying. I'm super not proficient with it, and it's kind of tall for me because I'm vertically challenged, as you know. So we have already removed the plugs from under the seat and it's much better now, but still it will take me some time to get used to. I love this bike though. It's amazing. Yeah, so what have we had? The Euro Raid, Baltic states, what else? Yeah, this is pretty much what this plan is, and in this video I just wanted to kind of update you guys and start posting this again. So, if you know anything interesting, worth visiting, or some kind of interesting motorcycle-centered business in Lithuania, Latvia or Estonia, or maybe even Poland, we'll be visiting our friends from DMID along the way, so that's also something that we want to do. Please write in the comments below if you have any suggestions on places to visit in the Baltics. I would very much appreciate it and would make my best to visit those places and document them. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, like, subscribe, ring that bell if that's your thing. We're going to be putting out a series of videos with our preparations for the journey because this is our first big motorcycle trip. So, preparing the bike, learning to ride it. We'll be following with my first impressions of the Vistrom, and of course subscribe for the entire series. We'll be uploading it as soon as we can edit them, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.